Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we learn Surah Al-Ikhlas translation. Let's learn. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
قل هو الله أحد.
Say, He is Allah who is one.
الله الصمد.
Allah, the eternal refuge.
لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
He neither begets nor was begotten, and there is none equivalent to him. Thank you guys, and we will meet on next value. Allah Hafiz guys.